Hey, it's Mac, and let's open up the Fast and Furious 2026 Mix M Tokyo Drift. So let's open this up. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to MACNN for this case. Macon is one of the largest international wholesale distributors. If you're a wholesaler or distributor and looking to buy in bulk, make sure to check them out. They have incredible prices and will ship worldwide. As you can see, my case came with 2 full sets. I'd appreciate if you guys can hit that like button, as it really helps my channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this Hot Wheels 2025 Fast and Furious Mix M.